my friend, and welcome back to my channel. So we've got another video for today, and today is the review of this MP3 player. So we've got the Machine or Mechan, okay, but I'm gonna have to pronounce it Machine is because it is put in the name is a CH, okay, so I gotta go with this Machine right over here. So Machine H1 Pro. So as you can see at the back, you can see the model H1 Pro. Okay, and this is a digital MP3 player. Okay, so DAP. So they say that it is a DAP, okay, digital audio player. But for me, it is an MP3 player. Okay, so we've got transparent back cover case for it. So when I bought this one, so I bought this on Walmart. So okay, and also this is a nice, okay, a really nice MP3 player. Okay, so we've got right here is also a nice feature of this machine, right? So since very lightweight, so I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to for my, because I have also a weighing scale. Okay, so okay, so we've got my weighing scale. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn it on. So let's go, gonna have to without the back cover case. Okay, what is this? Okay, oh, it's not reading. Okay, okay, it's not reading. Okay, what happened? It turned off. Okay, again. Yeah, what is this? Okay, I think it's the battery, right? So yeah, so let's do it again. Okay, yeah, I think it's the battery. Okay, so yeah, I think it's the battery. So let's just proceed anyway. But when I tested it out, so when I tested, okay, so I'm gonna have to, what is this? What happened to us? Okay. Okay, what happened to this? Okay. I think it's the battery. Okay, I'm gonna have to replace the battery. So I don't have a battery today. So okay, so we're gonna have to try that again later. Okay. So here it goes. We've got the Machine H1 Pro, which is a very lightweight compared to my Ini Oasis G3, right? So compared to my Ini Oasis G3, yeah, we heavy, right? So yes, it's heavy. So the 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 Ini Oasis G3 is heavy than the Machine H1 Pro. So and then also we've got right over here is some uh over here is the volume, right? So the, and also the power, as you can see like that one. We've got the volume rocker, we've got the reset button. Yeah, I think it's the reset button, or should I say the microphone. Okay, and also the power button, and also at the bottom we've got right here is the speaker, right? We've got the SD card slot, we've got the USB-C charging port, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. So as you can see right here, they got some, uh, sign, okay, where to put something like that one. Okay, so okay, there you go, there's the mic over here. We got the microphone, and I think it is the reset button, right? So if you want to reset, if you want to reset, okay, so let's get it over here. So we've got over here. Okay, so here we go, so we got gonna have to close that one, And also, yeah, very good. This is the user interface of that Mission H1 Pro. So yes, and also you can also get the gallery, right? So you can add some, right? So you can add some wallpapers into your MP3 player. So any wallpapers that you like, and also they got some built-in apps, right? So since this is a fully Android MP3 player from Mission, okay? So I just installed two, right? I just installed two. We've got the simple radio and the AIM, okay? So because this application right here, AIM, is my main MP3 player app. Okay, so because I have to categorize all of the genre of the music. Okay, so that is why I have to uh, and also I really love this what is it called, application. Okay, so we got some high B music. We got the music player also. Okay, so and I'm not using it. Okay, so it's because I use the app. Okay, and also gonna go over to the settings. So right here at the bottom of the, we got the system right over here. Yes, we got also about device, and we've got right here is the CPU of 8 cores, Android version of 9.0. And also we've got some not okay right over there. So for the equalizer for this one is a really good. Okay, I really love also the quality of the music. I also like the quality of the music. So yes, I am using an earphones. Okay, wired. I am using a wired earphones. So, and also sometimes I am using Bluetooth, right? So since it is also supported Bluetooth connectivity also, yes. And right over here we've got also, they have this feature of the schedule power on and off. Okay, if you don't want to use it, you just have to schedule, right? So at the when you are going to sleep, right? When you are going to sleep, you can set up the power. You can add the schedule power on, and also they got also an auto shutdown. So I didn't auto shutdown ERAP, or I didn't auto shutdown. So I just chose the nevers because I really don't want to auto shutdown when I am using it up. Okay. So, and as also we've got right here is the accessibility for this one. Okay. Nice, really good. Okay, we've got the security, we've got the storage. This is the internal storage, which is only 16 gigabytes of internal storage, but I put a 128 gigabyte SD card. So this is the Mission MP3 right over here. As you can see, that is my SD card, 128 gigabyte. Okay, so the remaining space of the internal is 7.69 gigabyte. Okay, and yeah, I just only installed two application, right? Okay, so and we got over here is the sound, which is, as you can see right here, as the sound. Yeah, look at that. So, and also we're gonna get over to this one. We got some display, we got the battery logo, we've got the apps and notifications, we got the memory. So as you can see right here is the memory of the phone. Okay, phone. Okay, I'm sorry. Memory of the MP3 player. Okay, we got the 1.2 gigabyte performance. Okay, we got the total memory of 2.0 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, this is the RAM. Okay, and also the free storage of the RAM is also the 8 to 824 MB. Okay, the free storage. So I just use the uh I just use 59%. Okay, I just use 59% of this one. So you can also select that one. We got some 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, and 1 day. Okay, so that is the memory status. Okay, memory use. And they got also the Bluetooth. Okay, as you can see, You're gonna have to pair a new device. And also we got the Wi-Fi, and you can search through the settings so if you don't see anything in the settings, okay. And also we got a video player, right? So we've got the video player. So license agreement. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. MX Player Pro to access photos, media files, and okay, always allow. Alright, there you go. There you have it. So I'm gonna have to get back. Okay. So we're gonna get over there. Okay, we're gonna get over there. Okay, so and also they got some bunch of what is this called? They got some bunch of default applications, right? Gallery, Google, Google board, okay, Gboard, okay, keyboard. We've got the file manager, we got the hobby music player, videos, and also the settings. Right over here, we got the clock, we got the calculator, the calendar, calculator, we got the sound recorder, FM radio, Apple Music, okay, Spotify, Audible, Amazon Music, like some Deezer, Chrome, and a Play Store, so which you can install anything, right? So and also a simple radio, iHeart Radio, YouTube, and AIM. Okay, I also downloaded that iHeart Radio. So okay, so let's get over here. So let's get over onto the gallery. So we've got right here some sample pictures, right? As you can see, this is a nice. Okay, when you look at that. So yeah, perfect, and it's also gonna have to go that one, right? So and it's also the result for that one is gonna be that one also gonna be a bigger one. So yes, the wallpaper, and also you can also put a lock screen. You can also put a lock screen wallpaper, and it's also the heavy music is gonna be there. So just gonna have to do it like that, right? So okay. So and there we go. So we go back, and we've got also the what is this called a shortcut. Okay, we got some shortcut over here also, right? And also right here is the shortcut for the settings. And if you want to edit the notification system, if you want to, right? If you want to edit the notification bar, you can edit it up, right? So there you go. There you have it. Okay. And also you can also manage the notifications. Okay. So and then also right over here we got some file manager, and which all of this right here is the for the internal storage, and also for the external, which is the SD card. Okay, so I'm gonna get over some, but these are some basic. Okay, these are some basic. So let's get over to Deezer. You can also add anything right from Deezer. All right, so you're just gonna have to we're gonna have to skip that one also. So okay, and also Apple Music, Spotify, so Amazon, and also we got the we got this I got this internet radio, okay, for my this one. Okay, and then let's go, gonna have to check it out some okay. Okay, I don't have the internet. Okay, let's go, gonna get open the internet. I forgot to, okay, I forgot to open the internet. Okay, so since I can open it up, so let's go try another. Okay, so all right, here we go. So this is the loudspeaker.
Naday ko prostate cancer ang dagan kay siya giresita nga tambal akong gipalit pero mura ra magyapog wala naurot na gid akong kwarta tapos akong amigo nagrekomenda sa kuha.
So I chose the wait, what happened? Okay, there you go. Okay, so I chose that one is because ads. Okay. I chose that radio is because it is AM, so that there's no copyright. Okay, so let's get over to the this one. Okay, player right over here. So we've got right here all of the music, all of the different genre of the music here in AMP. So let's just take some, for example, like 5 seconds. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's so loud, and it's also a really nice, okay, a really nice MP3 player. So just gonna have to do the 5 seconds, okay? It's because for the copyright. So I don't want to, and get over to the iHeart Radio, okay? Let's get over for the iHeart Radio. Let's check some, you can. It is free, okay? It is free than Sirius XM, okay? And also got right over here all of the so can I play? Okay. um just only 5 seconds, okay? There you go. Yeah, it is really so loud for the loud for the speaker, right? On. And this is really nice, okay? If you want to go to YouTube, okay, let's get over to YouTube. And there you go, there you have it. So this is so let's go check one of my videos, okay? So to avoid copyright, okay? Videos, okay? It's taking too long. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so if okay, there's also one thing, okay? If you are, if you this one, long press, okay? You have to long press the circle and to exit all of the, to exit or clear all of the, and also this one right here. You have to exit, right? So those are multitasking, okay? No recent items that you've opened it up, okay? So let's get over to the YouTube again. So let's go check it out, okay? There you go. So gonna have to check one of my videos, okay, to avoid copyrights, okay? Where is that? And also you can, like that one, right? So yeah, there you go. So let's go gonna go. Yeah. And also you can also watch that one, okay? Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. So we've got another vlog for today. We've got another video. So we've got right here is my PS Vita. So still got a case, okay? I still using this one, right? Instead of since I am doing gameplays for my PlayStation 4, and also yeah, there it goes. It is so small, but it's so small to watch videos, right? But unfortunately, it's still good if you want to watch. Okay, uh, YouTube Music also like that one, but I uninstalled the YouTube Music for this. Okay, so overall, this is a good MP3 player. So just compared to this one, okay. Also, yeah, a lot lighter than the any Oasis G3, okay? And it's also a really good, a nice MP3 player. If you, yeah, I think most of also music lovers out there also have this already because I saw some YouTubers have this Mission MP3 player, right? Okay, and also, yeah, a really nice MP3 player, right? If you really want to, because you know this is a really good MP3 player to bring it out. Okay, MP3 Android. Okay, so this one right here, I don't know if it's an Android, but you know there's a Google, and also you can install some APK, and also you can install some APK on here also, right? So I also have a simple radio and also an amp over here. Okay, so it's just the same. There's also some default, but mostly not all of the default applications in here is not in here in the machine H1. Okay, so that is the difference about it. Okay, that is the difference all about. So I think, yeah, so I think that's it for today's video, and also I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again on the next one. Okay.